Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video is just about some touch sensitive lights that I've just fitted to the tailgate of my transporter. Now I wanted some light at the back when the tailgate was up, and I didn't want to have anything which was just on automatically, because there's going to be times when I'm camping and I want to have a bit of light on the outside. Maybe I might want one light on, maybe I might want one light off. So I bought two touch sensitive lights, and yeah, put one either side on the tailgate. The reason I'm laughing is because I was just literally testing them after I fitted them. I was pressing them. I was like, bloody hell, these are stiff. I was pressing it hard. But what I was doing, instead of pressing the metal on the light, I was actually pressing the middle bit. I thought it was the middle. I was like, a bit temperamental, so I wasn't that happy, but actually they're amazing. Like, you literally just touch the metal ring on the outside and they come on like just so easy. Yeah, anyway, weird times at the minute for everyone. It's very strange, obviously, with what's going on, this virus and that. So I'm trying to get stuff done at home on the van whilst I've got the time, because obviously we're all off now for however long. So yeah, the most important thing is trying to keep safe, and yeah, also not to make yourself go mentally crazy by sitting indoors non-stop. So yeah, I'm going to walk around the van and show you the lights. So literally you just touch it on the metal like that and they come on. I was pressing it here and wondering why it weren't working. Actually it's just that. Yeah, it's really good. On and off like that, and that's basically it. It's good. So yeah, another reason why I got them was because normally when you open a door on a van or a car, lights come on automatically. I didn't want these coming on automatically, because there's going to be times when, like daytime, it's just a waste of light and energy. Like these are connected to my leisure battery as well. So yeah, mainly just for camping. And also the good thing about them is it does away with the use of a switch if they're not on automatically. So normally you might have to press a switch. Like in here, I've got the same spotlights, but they're not touch sensitive. They are just obviously the same size and style, but they're on a dimmer. They're on a dimmer switch in here, and that's how I wanted it on the inside. But for the tailgate, touch sensitive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description where you can get some from. And then, yeah, if you've got any questions, I'm sure you haven't, I'm sure I've probably covered it all, then just leave one in the comments box. If you like the video, give me a like. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, because I'm always putting videos up as often as I possibly can. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See you soon.